Welcome back to Car Fusion, your ultimate destination for the hottest cars on the planet. Today, we're diving into an absolute masterpiece, the BMW Z4 M40i. This is not just a roadster, it's a bold statement of power, precision, and pure driving thrill. So, buckle up as we unleash the magic of this open-top beast. The BMW Z4 M40i is the definition of roadster perfection. With its long, sculpted hood, aggressive front grille, and sleek LED headlights, this car demands attention wherever it goes. The wide stance and muscular fenders give it a low, planted look, while the soft top roof folds down in just 10 seconds, transforming it into an open-air thrill machine. Finished in stunning shades like Misano Blue, Thunder Night Metallic, or classic Alpine White, this beauty is built to turn heads. Now, let's talk about what makes the Z4 M40i a true performance icon, its 3.0-liter BMW M twin-power turbo inline-6 engine. Pumping out a jaw-dropping 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. That's the kind of power that pins you to your seat and leaves you grinning ear to ear. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, the shifts are lightning fast, delivering an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. Driving the Z4 M40i is an absolute dream. Thanks to its M Sport suspension, adaptive dampers, and perfect 50/50 weight distribution, it hugs every corner like it's on rails. The steering is razor-sharp, making every turn feel precise and exhilarating. Whether you're cruising along the coastline or attacking tight mountain roads, this roadster delivers an unmatched connection between man and machine. Plus, with multiple driving modes, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus, you can tailor the experience to your mood. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of premium craftsmanship. The M Sport seats, wrapped in Vernasca leather, provide the perfect balance of comfort and support. The driver-focused cockpit features a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution touchscreen with BMW's iDrive 7.0 infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system ensure you stay connected and entertained wherever you go. Plus, the ambient lighting sets the perfect mood for those late-night drives. The Z4 M40i isn't just about speed, it's packed with advanced safety features too. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking keep you safe at all times. With BMW's latest driver assist technology, you can push the limits with confidence. The BMW Z4 M40i is the ultimate roadster for those who crave pure driving pleasure. It blends breathtaking performance, striking design, and cutting-edge technology into one unforgettable package. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or just love open-top driving, this machine is guaranteed to leave you speechless. So, what do you think about the BMW Z4 M40i? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Fusion for more jaw-dropping automotive content. Until next time, keep the revs high and the roads thrilling.